Hey folks, my name's Josh Gahn. I'm the tool repair and maintenance man here at the Wm.T.Spaeder Company in Erie, Pennsylvania. The Wm.T.Spaeder Company has been family owned since its inception in 1914. That's a long time. So we're out here today to talk to you about some of the tools we use for joining pipe. Whenever people think about joining pipe together, they usually think about threading it together. But there's so many different ways to do it. Like these. They're welded and flanged, and these flanges would bolt together. But we're here to talk about grooving pipe today. You know, kind of like Motown. You know what I'm saying? It was invented in 1919 by the Victory Pipe Joint Company, which is now Victaulic. Just where the pipe gets a little bit smaller, and that allows a coupling like this, obviously not the same size, with a rubber gasket inside to join on the pipe here and seal on this land here. These are both mobile tools that our workers can use in the field. They can use them in the shop, anywhere they have to go. Usually used by our fire protection department. This is a Reed Combo Groover. Reed Combo Groover. It's made by the Reed Corporation right here in Erie, Pennsylvania. And it uses a roll set, or a series of 2 rolls, to put this mechanical joint in, or the groove in this pipe. And it uses squish. It squishes it. As you tighten this part, it'll clamp right down on the pipe. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it right on there. You use your ratchet, and as you work the ratchet, it'll work the tool around the pipe. In this case, it's just going to move the pipe. Usually the pipe's stationary. You can use it by hand if you have to work on some piping up in position, up in the sky, in a boom lift, scissor lift, underground. They put pipes there, they do. Or you can use it with these little extension pieces and use it your power vise or your threading machine. Really handy. Works great, a little heavy, not bad. It's made tough because we're tough dudes. This tool is a cut groover, and it uses a blade, a small knife, to cut a groove into the pipe. And that works really great when you get into heavier wall pipe, Schedule 80 or greater. You cannot roll groove Schedule 80 pipe. Just because the wall thickness of the pipe will get stuck right in this little wheel here. It's just not possible. So when you get too big a pipe for here, you've got to move over to here. Use it a lot in plastic, and it just uses a little knife blade. And you work it around like a ratchet until you run into that little piece that I've left in the way. The learning's in the struggle, folks. And this could be used anywhere. Overhead, you should have your hard hat on. Underground, right side, left side, it works great. But maybe we could go inside and talk to my friend Sprinkling Jay about some of our stationary machines that he uses to groove pipe. And he's a piping professional. I'm a tool professional. Hey, Sprinkling Jay.
How you doing?
Great. You want to talk to me and our friends in internet land about grooving pipe and maybe demonstrate for us?
All right, well right now we're going to groove a piece of 3-inch. We have the bottom wheel and the top wheel set up to be 3-inch, and I have us roughly dialed in for the size pipe we have. Key part here is to level the pipe to the machine. If we have the pipe too low or too high, when we groove it, the pipe will flare out.
Ooh.
And if it flares out, then we won't be able to put the coupling over the end. It gets too big.
Gotcha.
And we're a little shallow yet. We need to take it deeper. If it's shallow and we send it out, the coupling doesn't have enough to bite onto to hold it together. And under pressure, it's going to blow apart.
Gotcha.
Make damage. So we're going to bring her in a little bit more and groove her some more.
So that tape is a special tape to verify the size of the groove.
It does. And we come around, we're right in our working area. And then after we have it grooved, we just need to clean off the edge, because the cut can leave a rough edge, and a rubber gasket sits on this end piece.
Right.
The metal coupling fits over top. So if we have a sharp edge, we could cut the gasket, scratch the gasket,
No
it'll
good.
leak past. That's no
Gotcha.
good. So it's fairly simple and goes quick, but you have to pay attention to it. You know, if you're shallow or deep,
Yeah.
you're going to have problems.
We should probably tell the people in internet land that they should like or subscribe if they like this sort of thing.
Oh, absolutely.
Sprinkling Jay.
Toolman Josh.